Hi, my name is Dr. Meggan Graves, and I'm a large animal emergency clinician here at the University of Tennessee. With the severe winter weather on the way, I wanted to give you a few steps that you could take to better protect your livestock and horses. The first thing to think about is nutrition. We know that cold weather increases the energy needs of horses and livestock. Some research shows 10 to 25% more calories are needed when they experience cold stress. The best thing is to provide good quality forage and for them to have access to hay at all times. When they are digesting this forage, it produces body heat. Clean drinking water is also crucial. It is important that you check water access at least 2 to 3 times a day to make sure that water is not frozen. Ideally, you could provide warm water or at least water above 40 degrees. Animals tend to drink less when it is cold, and that can lead to dehydration or even impaction colic in some of our horses. Wind chill, not just temperature, drives cold stress. Studies show that windbreaks and shelters can significantly reduce heat loss and energy demands. Shelters don't have to be fancy. 3-sided sheds, a tree line, even well-placed round bales can make a significant difference. Consider bedding shelters deeply in straw for added heat insulation. Older animals, thin animals, and young livestock are at higher risk of cold stress. Studies consistently show that animals with lower body condition scores will struggle more in prolonged cold weather. Check with your veterinarian if you have an animal that may be more vulnerable to cold temperatures. As an emergency veterinarian, of course, one of the things that I always think about in severe weather events is access to veterinary care. It may not always be possible. Make sure your prescriptions are refilled, recheck your first aid supplies, and have a plan for emergencies. Lastly, check your animals daily. If you notice behavior like reduced appetite, lethargy, continuous shivering, reach out to your veterinarian for additional care. Stay warm, stay safe.